Okay, Andy. Good evening, everyone. So, online friends, can you hear my voice? Say yes or no to me once. Right. So, the last class yesterday, I written one program to read the data from the keyboard. How many of you executed my program? Raise your hands. Very good. How many of you tried these two assignments? How many of you got any error? No error. Right. Look here. So how many of you taken code as integer? Anybody taken code as integer? How many of you taken code as a string? Who taken code as integer? For your name you cannot read it now. Anybody faced that problem? Raise your hands. Right. Sir, after reading integer value, if I try to read one string data, I cannot read it. Right. Let me show that what has been happened for 5-10 minutes once. Okay, right. Online students, can you hear my voice? Online students, confirm me once again. Okay, fine. Right. I am taking one program as demo methods 2. Demo methods 2. Demo methods 2 dot Java. Click on save. I want to read the data. The data is nothing but code, name, price, and quantity. Voice is not audible. Right, look here. Okay, right. Now look here, let me write this program. Whenever we want to read the data from the keyboard, we have to create object for scanner class. That is a concept yesterday. After that, I given a notes, operators, control structures. Anyway, the notes you keep away. Practical concept is how to read the data from the keyboard. That is a practical concept. You have to concentrate on that. Okay, right. The theoretical part I'll convert into practical. I'll explain and come anyway. Okay, right. So whenever we want to read the data from the keyboard in Java, we are going to take the support of one class known as what now? Scanner. We have to import. What is the syntax now? Import java.util.scanner. Scanner, yes, capital. Scanner, yes, capital, because it is a class. Syntax means coding rule to be remembered. Okay, right. What is the object creation syntax now? Scanner, yes, is equal to new scanner. new scanner of system.in, the syntax. So this is one keyboard connection anyway. Now I want to read the code now. Product code, indirectly product code. I want to read it. Now I'll keep a message here now. The message system.out.println, enter the product code. I'll give a message as enter the product code. Now I'll take the product code as string. I will take it. Yesterday, few students asked me from online especially. String means can accept character, can accept numeric. That is the advantage of string. If we take string, it will accept both. That is a major advantage of string. Right? Somebody asked yesterday, mail ID is having 1, 2, 3. How to read it? Means string data. House numbers 12-34 by H by hyphen at the rate of that. All symbols will be accepted by the string. String is the major input data which can accept all kind of data. So I am taking the product code as a string here for today. See there, string code is equal to, how to read string data now? s.nextLine is the point. So system.out.println here. Enter the product name. Enter the product name. I am taking the name. String name is equal to s.nextLine. I am reading. Now system.out.println, enter the product price. Enter the product price. So price will be in the form of float, no? Right? With the decimal points will be there. So you must take what now? Float. Price is equal to, what is the method now? s.nextfloat. How many of you written this? Raise your hands. All of you understood price is float, no? Right. Okay. Now system.out.println, enter the product quantity. For offline students, one advantage will be there for you. Any doubts are there, you can go to the lab directly. Right? Immediately you can go to the lab and sit there. Somebody will be there already. So you can walk to 5th floor, I think. You can go and sit there. Somebody will be there. You can ask them, they'll explain it immediately if anybody is there. Now quantity, what is the quantity now? Int. Quantity is the int only, no? Right. Quantity is equal to s.nextInt. After reading the data to variable code, name, price, quantity, display the details now here. So system.out.println, product details. Anyway, product details. I am displaying the product details. Now the data is available in the variable, no? Code, name, price, quantity. So system.out.println, I am displaying product code. I am displaying as code. So product name, product price, product quantity. Product name, I am displaying it as name. product price. This is from price. Product quantity. This is from quantity. Like this. Now the program is ready, no? Anyway. So reading and printing. Anyway, let me run this program now. So one or two students still confused in running the programs. First, you have to save the program in the correct location. You have to cross check it. So E drive demo 138. Go and cross check the file is available there or not. E drive demo. I saved in 138. The file is available or not. You have to cross check. So here demo methods to the file is available here. Can you see this file? If the file is available in the same location, in the address bar, type CMD, enter. Now you are in the demo 138. Our file is saved in 138. We are in 138. What is the compilation command now? Java C followed by demo methods to .java. So program compilation correct because no spellings and so on. Execute the program. Java demo methods 2. I'll run it. Enter the product code. So string no alphanumeric A123. Reliance Fresh is there no down ground floor. There also product store only. That also every product will have one code. Of course, in the form of barcode they'll maintain. So every product will have one code for billing. They'll scan it and the code will come. If they're not scanned properly, they'll type it. Because why they given barcode means if they cannot type it now, when the rush is very high, they cannot type it. For speedness, they'll use barcode. If you scan like this, automatically code will be displayed. So every product will have one code. When you bring a quantity, 2 soaps, 3 soaps, 2 pastes, that is a quantity or not now? Into 2, into 3, price, anyway billing. That kind of application we do in advance. So at present, roughly reading and printing. Okay, right. Product code, alphanumeric. Product name now. Of course, mouse I am taking roughly. Imagine mouse store that is, or computer store. Now price 2, 3, 4, 5. That much of cost not there, no. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 roughly. Dot because float no. I given 0.56. Quantity 12. Answer is coming or not now, right? Answer is coming. If you want to display the bill, you can display. You know how to display the bill? No, normally. So roughly reading and printing. How many of you executed with a string? They'll got an answer. Okay, right. Now I'll take that code as numeric. I will take it. Can I take code as numeric? Right. Okay. Our target to explain code as numeric. Okay. Now I'll change my program anyway. I'll change my program here. I will read this code as what now? Int code is equal to, what is the method now? s.nextInt. I'm reading next. I am running the program. See there. I typed CLS to clear the screen. Okay, right. Java C. I can recompile. Java C. Demo methods 2.java. Compilation successful. Execution now. Java demo methods 2. Enter the product code now. Product code is numeric. 111 roughly. Now observe that the name will be skipped. How many of you faced this problem? That only I said no yesterday. Some error will come. If not, somebody will ask this question to me. Because by plan only I given assignment to you. Yesterday I cannot explain. No, yesterday only you are reading the data. No, suddenly I should not confuse you by saying all in a single day. First, I must give a time to the student to type something. Because remaining time I given in notes. I typed only one program. Remaining I adjusted two assignments and I given a notes not to waste the time. So yesterday, if I speak like this, the student may understand, may not understand. I given a time to the student. At least few students observed. Name is skipped. Now price here 123.45. Issue not there 12. Name empty is coming there. Can you observe this? Right. I want to know, sir, what has been happened. Can I explain it now? Right. See there. So this is our layout now. This layout is helping us. This is a layout. I'll remove this all. Sir, what is happening? I want to know, sir. Right. I am running the program. I am entering 111. Enter. I am pressing 111. 3 keys. What is the fourth key now? Enter. Enter should come now. Yes or no? Right. So how the data will come now, sir? Whenever you press 111 and enter. Whenever you press 111 enter, sir, we are imagining the data available in this format. I'll remove this all. Right. Here the data is 111 followed by /e. We are imagining I pressed 4 keys I pressed. All of you understood this? Right. Okay. Now I am using which method now? Sir, nextInt method. Sir, I am using nextInt method. Yes. Dot nextInt method I am using. Now this nextInt method must take the data. This nextInt method must take the data. The nextInt method will take the data. nextInt. nextInt means take int data. That's the meaning actually. Take int data. Sir, among this, I will take only int data. 111 is the int. /e is not int, no? Yes or no? Na? That character is not int, sir. I am taking only 111. That escape sequence is available there. That enter key information is available in the buffer. Because nextInt method will take only int data, it takes 111. After taking this int data, it load it onto code. It load it onto code. Now code is holding 111. But there in the buffer, already E is there. /e is there. So what happened now? Next method is there, no nextLine method. Right. This nextLine method immediately will take that to /e. Yes. Dot nextLine method will take that to /e. This will take that /. That /e is taken. Now, whenever it is taken now, This will become empty. Next line method taken. All of you understood this? Right. Now this next line method has one nature. No? What is the nature now? Discard this. It will remove this because it will take and remove it. Whenever you remove here name. Sir, name is equal to no value because value not there, no. Yes or no, na. So no value available here. But it's taking the slash here, not now. So whenever you take a slash, it skips. It's skipping us now. The buffer taken by the buffer data taken by the name. The problem is nothing but before the string data, numeric data is there. What about price, sir? 12.34 I will take. This 12.34 also. This 12.34 also next price, no. So 12.34 slash E will come. 12.34 slash E will come. So whenever I say next to float, whenever I say next to float, you have to take float data only. Understood this point? You have to take float data because your method is float data, float method. Next line means total. You have to take float, next to float. Next to float means I'll take only float data, 12.34. I will take only float data, I will take it. After taking this float data, slash E is left here. Slash E is left. All of you understood this? Right. Now, this data stored onto the price. This is stored onto price. Stored onto price. Now, price is having 12.34. So here, skipping of data not there because next one is not string data, no. Next one is again numeric data or not now. You taken 12 now. 1 to enter. You're pressing enter or not now. So what happened here now, sir? If I press enter, 12 slash E. So slash E is available here. They're loading there. It's not clearing. So what happened now? Next method I am calling it as nextInt method. I am calling it as nextInt method. Whenever I say nextInt method here, nextInt method, int data you have to take it. You take int data, you have to take it. Int data means you must take 12. Whenever you take 12 now, this is. Now the 12 data loaded onto quantity. Onto quantity. All of you understood this? So what you observed here now? When we read string data after numeric data. Numeric data means maybe integer family, maybe float family. When we read string data after numeric data, the string data reading will be skipped. That problem is from your command prompt, right? To overcome this problem, your Java language given parse methods. They given a methods known as what now? Parse methods. Parse methods means take in the form of a string, convert into numeric, make a statement. So today's class is, before pasting this solution, we start with one note. Today's class, we start with one note. When we read string data after numeric data. When we read string data after numeric data, when we read string data after numeric data, the string data reading will be skipped. When we read string data after numeric data, the string data reading will be skipped. Right. This disadvantage can be, so some people will say disadvantage. Moreover, we must not say disadvantage. If we say also, no problem. The reason, scanner available only in core Java, not in advance. Scanner available only in core Java, not available in advance, not available in Spring, not available in web service. There the data will come from HTML form. Here only the data will come from command prompt. This problem when we use scanner class for the command prompt. So to practice the language only we use command prompt. Unless command prompt we never use it. When we use command prompt, this problem will come. When we read string data after numeric data, the problem will come. If we read numeric data after string data, no issue. If we read string data after string data, no problem. If we read numeric data after numeric data, no problem. The problem is, if we read string data after numeric data, the problem will come. Make it. This disadvantage can be, overcome using the following parse methods. The following parse methods, which are used to read string data, and convert into numeric data. Which are used to read string data and convert into numeric data. So the formats are like this. Whenever I want to read byte data, suppose byte b, some variable name, byte variable is equal to byte dot b capital, byte dot parse byte of s dot next line. This is a way of reading. If you want to read short some variable is equal to s capital, short dot parse short of s dot next line. Int variable is equal to integer dot parse int of s dot next line. Long variable is equal to long dot parse long of s dot next line. Float variable is equal to float dot parse float of s dot next line. Double variable is equal to double dot parse double of s dot next line. So these are the methods. So how many formats are there now? 6 formats. So let me use one format in our program and let me explain what happens here. Okay, right. Now skipping of data should not come, sir. What you are going to do now? See there. All of written? Right. See there. Now in our program now, I am restarting. Right. Our target is the first one. Sir, this is our target. Our target. Right. For this integer here, can you see integer? Right. Here, I am using integer dot parse int of s dot next line. The target. After writing this statement, I will run it. See there. Here skipping of data is coming now here. Right. Okay. Now I'll run it. So compile and run it. Here I am reading string, sorry, numeric data 1, 1, 1. Okay, right. Name is coming now. Previously name is skipped, now it is coming or not now? Price and 12. Sir, what happened internally? I want to know, sir. How the data is reading? I want to know. Whenever I entered 1, 1, 1, enter. See there what happens. This one. Sir, whenever I entered 1, 1, 1 slash E. Like this. Now, whenever I enter this one now, I am using s dot next line. Can you see this? Can you see this here? S dot next line. This s dot next line, first this is executed now. Then this is executed. So see there I am writing it. First s dot next line is executed. S dot next line means it takes the total data or not now? See there. So s dot next line is executed first. S dot next line is executed. This s dot next line will take the total data. It takes the total data. Double quotes 1, 1, 1 slash E. It takes the total data. It takes. After taking the total data, this will be discarded. Only 1, 1 is there, no, right? So in this buffer, what happened now? Sir, total data taken, no, sir. Nothing is available here. That's the first advantage. Now, here I am writing integer dot parse int. Integer dot parse int of that double quotes 1, 1, 1 will be given. because s.nextLine will give that 111 here. This will be given. That only s.nextLine. s.nextLine will give 111 actually. So this parse method, what it does now? This parse method will convert that into integer. How it convert into integer now? Sir, whatever the double quotes available there, it removes the double quotes. It becomes what now? 1, 1, 1. This 111 will be loaded onto code. Loaded onto code. That's a conversion. First s.nextLine method will take the total data. Double quotes. Why double quotes means next line method return type is string, no? So string data it takes in the form of string 111/e. Remove that /e. Double quotes 111 will be given to parse method. Will be given to this parse method. That parse method will take that 111 and remove the double quotes and convert into numeric. What is the numeric now? 111 without double quotes. That 111 will be loaded onto the variable code. Here, what is advantage now? Advantage is the buffer has been cleared. Observe this point or not now? The buffer has been cleared. Because of this reason, we say that these parse methods are used to read string data and convert into numeric data. Whenever you want to convert string into byte, this is the format. String into short, this is the format. Maximum we use integer, maximum we use a float. All of you understood this format? Say yes or no to me, right? So these are the standard formats used from today. Wherever the skipping of data is coming from today, immediately see the notes and apply that model. So reading in the form of string and converting into numeric. I applied here. Now the answer is coming out. 111. Product name is mouse. Price is 123.45. Quantity is a product code. So this is the output. Yesterday's assignment. So I took example program as demo methods2.java and this is the output. The diagram I'll paste there anyway, this one, so that how the conversion is happening for understanding purpose. This diagram I'll paste there. How the conversion is happening. All of it clear? Yes or no? Use it wherever the situation is not understanding, you can show to me once. Okay, right. Now, hope this assignment not needed, I think. You can do no. Yes or no? Na? Right? No need, no. Somewhere in the future, I'll write it. Okay, right. That assignment. If you want to take ID code numeric, you can take it. No issue. Okay, right. Now, today I want to introduce a new concept again because I'm going forward. Can I go forward? Right. Wherever the skipping of data is coming, there take the support of parse method. If the skipping of data is not coming, don't use parse method. Use plain methods. That's right. Wherever the skip, in which situation the data will be skipped now? Sir, when we read string data after numeric data, the data will be skipped unless it is a normal data only. Right. For today's new concept is make it. Note. One more note. In the process of constructing Java applications, in the process of constructing Java applications, we must use one main class and can use any number of subclasses. In the process of constructing Java applications, we must use one main class and can use any number of subclasses. Any number of subclasses. Sir, main class means what, sir? Right. Main class. The class in the application which is holding main method, main method is known as main class. The class in the application which is holding main method is known as main class. Sir, subclass means the class which is declared in the application, the class which is declared in the application, other than main class, is known as subclass. The class which is declared in the application, other than main class is known as subclass. So from today, the practice should be changed. In the C language, all you will write in a main class, main class not there no for them. So main method will be there, they'll be writing. So our pattern should be changed because yesterday I given a time to practice 3 programs to read the data. There only one class is there, you practiced. Before that you had one program. The program is demo variables. It's a plan only. First program is display.java. Second program is addition.java. Third program is demo variables.java, demonstrating M1, M2, A, B, and its locations, memory locations, and JVM architecture to specify to the student by its locations. Yesterday, I written demo methods 1. In the demo methods 1, reading the data from the keyboard. Demo methods 2 is an assignment to you yesterday. Whatever the problem you faced in that assignment, today I revealed. So you must read string data. When you read string data after numeric, in the console input, some skipping of data may come. To overcome that, I given a process, use it. That is demo methods 2, I typed it. Today also, you must not make a same practice. Already the practice over. Sir, yesterday not done practical means we cannot do anything. Right. Today, yesterday not opened my book, sir, means we never help it. Because today the pattern changed. Today pattern is subclass, main class concept. We'll give a time today and tomorrow for practice. How to practice that subclass concept. Once the subclass over, Monday, Tuesday, we increase the level by bringing n number of programs in that concept. After that, blocks will come, constructors will come. By next Friday, creating package by using ID Eclipse will come. That's the sequence. So in this today, the pattern is main class must be there, subclass must be there. For this, one example program I'm writing. Right, make it. Example program to demonstrate the concept of presenting my application in the form of main class and subclass. That's the concept. Write a program to read employee basic salary and display total salary. Write a program to read employee basic salary and display total salary. That's the question. Total salary formula is basic salary plus HRA plus DA. What is HRA? House rental allowance, daily allowance. HRA in one company, 93% of basic salary in one company. DA is 63% of basic salary. Right. Now note, NOT note. Right. Look here. Minimum basic salary of an employee must be 12,000. Minimum basic salary of an employee is 12,000. If anybody entered less than 12,000, you must say invalid basic salary. The employee is not working less than 12,000. That's the meaning. There is a condition here. What is the condition now? Sir, minimum basic salary of an employee is 12,000. That's the condition. Minimum basic salary of an employee is 12,000. Can I write the program? Right. I'll use two classes. For the first time I'm using two classes. See there? This is the question. So Monday onwards, I'll start giving the questions. Theoretical questions and concepts. You have to develop the programs from the theoretical and concepts. That's called POC. Point of concept. Slowly we increase that level and come. Slowly. Conditions, calculations, subclasses, return types with parameter. Slowly that level will be increased. Okay, right. Now, in this program I am taking demo methods 3 I am taking for today. Don't think you are a new batch and 15 days completed. Yes or no? Daily I'm remembering that because still students are, sir, demo videos. Where demo? It's over now. Because I am entering already. I will not stop. Because next Friday, my target creating project by using ID Eclipse. Got it now? Right. So until then, be alert. Go home, read the notes, work hard and come. If not possible. Without working, directly coming, Java not possible, especially. Okay, right. Especially online students sit in a dark room where the no sound is available. If not, a TV sound will come, some sound will come, Java not possible. Sir, repeat it means not possible. Venkatesh sir already shouting, this is my 12th hour I'm shouting. This is my 6th hour, means I completed 5 hours, 5 to 10 hours completed. It's my 11th hour I'm running. So 11, 12, again 2 more hours are spending. 14th hour is waiting for me. So bit careful. Demo methods 3. Right. I am commenting this class as in main class. Main class. I am commenting this as in main class. Sir, why it is main class means main method is there. Understood this point? From today, the class which is holding main method is a main class. Now look here. I am taking one more class above. Class name is employee salary. This I am calling it as a subclass. I am taking one more class known as employee salary. I am taking. Sir, why you are calling it a subclass? In subclass, main method will not be there. So main method already available here now. There will not be there. Now two classes are there. One is main, one is sub. Like this, you can take any number of subclasses. That only statement. One main class must be there. And can use any number of subclasses. I'm going to increase that number of subclasses and come slowly. Now, sir, when the two classes are there, I must save the program with which class? Which class you have to save it? Main class. From day one onwards, you are saving the program with main class only. No. One student asked me a question. Sir, is it mandatory to save the program with the same name? Not mandatory. That point I only will write. You have to wait it. Right? Somebody asked that question. Is it mandatory to save a program with a class name? It is not mandatory. You can save with any name, but you have to run with class name. You have to run with what now? Class name. You can save with any name, but you have to run with class name. Sir, why this confusion? So let us save with this class name and run with class name. That is easier not now. So that only we train it. After becoming programmer, you also on the day I'll say. One day you'll become a programmer. On the day, whatever I speak, you'll understand. On the day, I'll write that notes to you. For now, you have to save with the class name. Which class name now? Main class name. Sir, daily I'm saying the main class. Sorry. Daily I'm saving with main class only. No, sir. Today also, demo methods 2 or 3. 3.java. Clear, everyone? Right. Okay. Now see there. Sir, in this subclass, what you are going to do? In this subclass now, I'll take one method. I'll take one method. The method is calculate method. I will take it. What method I'll take it now? Calculate method. So method structure, you know, no? Return type, method name, parameter list. Right? I'll take one calculate method. This calculate method return type is float. What is the calculate method return type now? Float. Now this method is return type method or non-return type method? Return type method. Why means void not there? No. Till yesterday I kept void only. No, not yesterday's program. Day before yesterday's program. M1. I kept on at void M1, void M2. I'm not giving time to you actually. I will not give any. Because student means they have to read it. No other choice. Student means working hard. 2 hours in the institute, 22 hours at home. You will read it. We feel the same. In the competitive world, we feel that student is very aggressive and reading. We feel it. On the day M1 declared as void. M2 declared as void. After that, no program in your book. Suddenly yesterday one program came. That program is only main class. Subclass not there. No other methods available. Only main method is there. The program concentrated reading the data yesterday. Practice over. Today's program taking subclass. Why means the methods are pending or not now? Return type I not explained. With parameter I not explained. Yes or no now? I must concentrate on the two parts. No, I am concentrating. Now calculate method I am calling it as return type method. Why means void not there. Void replaced with float. Sir, why you took float, sir? Is there any reason? Yes. The calculate method will take a basic salary. What that calculate method will take now? Basic salary. Now this method is with parameter, without parameter? With parameter. I took a parameter or not now? Calculate method is taking a parameter. What parameter now, sir? Basic salary as an parameter. Clear, everyone? Right. Now after taking the basic salary as parameter, now it is calculating the total salary. It is calculating the total salary. See there, float total salary is equal to, formula is there? No. Basic salary plus HRA plus DA. What is HRA written here now? Sir, 93% of basic salary. Sir, 93 divided by 100 into basic salary. That's the formula or not now? 93 divided by 100 means 0.93, no? Yes or no? Na? So it is 0.93 here. I can write 0.93 into basic salary. What is this one now? 0.63 into basic salary. Remember one new point I'm revealing to you. One new point. If I write 0.93, compiler will ask one question to me. See there. If I say 0.93, I'm compiling the program. Compiler will ask a question. What is that? You written 0.93. What is that? Why? I asked the compiler, come here. What is this? Compiler, I'm confused. Whether it is float or double R. Say clearly to me. It is float or double R. Say clearly to me. Because I am converting possible loosey conversion from double to float. I asked the compiler, why you are converting double to float? It is converting and saying the error or not now. Why you are converting? Then Java compiler, I'm not speaking about C compiler. Java compiler, if you take any float data, it takes as an double. By default, it takes as what now? Double. Now I must say to the compiler, it is not a double, it is a float. How I can say now? By writing F here. What I should write now? F. Understood is fine now. In a float, how many types are there now? 2 types. Whenever you want to take a float value, float value, you must use F in the RHS. If it is a double value, no need of F. Sir, today you are reading price, no, sir. Just now I read the price. I read the price or not now? There you not taken F, no, sir. Doubt will come or not now? Reading from the keyboard, F not needed. When you are assigning the value, you must say F. So in the float, we had 2 types. Whenever you want to take a float value, you must write F in the RHS of declaration. For double, not needed. All of you understood this statement? Yes or no? Na? Right. Now, after calculation, the data is available on total salary. Now, return RETURN. Return total salary. Return what salary now? Total salary. Now, this calculate method is returning T salary. T salary comes under what category now? Float. So calculate method return type is what now? Float. The returned value will come back to the method call. I made a statement to you anyway. Now this is your subclass. Sir, what you are going to do in the main class? See there. In the main class, I asked you to read what now? Employee basic salary. If you read the basic salary only, total salary will come. You have to read the basic salary or not now? Whenever you want to read the basic salary, you must read the basic salary from the main. Why, sir? Execution starts with main only. Now, read here. Import. You have to bring the scanner class. No. Import java.util.scanner like this. Create object for scanner. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. Now read the basic salary now. System.out.println. Enter the basic salary. Enter the basic salary. Maximum basic salaries will be in the form of int. So BS, basic salary is equal to s.nextInt. I'm reading the condition now. Minimum basic salary of an employee must be 12,000. How to write condition now? Sir, yesterday in selection statements, we had if else is there or not now. We had if else true or false. See there. I am taking if I am taking else. I am taking else. If means true, else means false. What is the condition here now? Basic salary. Basic salary must be greater than or equal to 12,000. Why greater than or equal to? I said minimum 12,000 or not now. Whenever I write minimum 12,000, we can write basic salary greater than or equal to 12,000. If basic salary is not greater than or equal to 12,000, control will come to else. Then you can say what now? System dot out dot print ln. You can say invalid invalid basic salary. You can say invalid basic salary. Suppose basic salary is correct. Now you have to calculate the total salary. Whenever you want to calculate the total salary, you must call this method. Now this method is static method, instance method. Instance method. Instance method is accessed with class name, object name, object name. You have to create object no. This method available in which class now? Employee salary. You have to create object here. Employee salary. Some ES is equal to new employee. Employee salary. Now here we are going to call this method now es dot calculate. I'll explain that anyway. Es dot calculate of basic salary. Now this calculate method will return the value or not now this. The returned value will return a value. The returned value we are writing here, no, like this. This method is returning the value or not? Yes or no? Na? This nextInt method will return what value now? Int value. Now calculate method will return what value now? Float value. Float total salary. Now you can display system dot out dot print ln. Total salary is equal to, you can write total salary. This is the program. Can I run the program once? I'll explain it. If anybody did not catch this program, because it takes time to catch the program. If anybody did not catch the program writing, I'll explain with diagram anyway. Okay, right? Now, enter the basic salary, 1200. 1200 is less than 12,000, no? Right. So 1200 less than or equal to 12,000. Sorry. 1200 greater than or equal to 12,000. True or false? False. Control will come to else. Invalid basic salary. Now, enter the basic salary. I am entering some 15,000. I am entering. 15,000 greater than or equal to 12,000. True. Now it calculates the total salary and give it. What is the total salary now? 38,400 after adding HRA and DA. All have understood this, right? Okay. So subclass concept. Here example be saved with demo methods 3.java, and this is the output. Right. Can I give an assignment? I'll explain this program with diagram tomorrow. I'll give it time to type it based on this one program. I'll add these notes to Google Classroom immediately. All of you join now. Who not joined, raise your hands. Okay. Example program. Write a program to read 3 integer values. Write a program to read 3 integer values and display greatest number. Display greatest number. Write a program to read 3 integer values and display greatest number. And display greatest. All of you understood the question? Take 3 values and display the greater value. Right, greater value. So for this, don't write in a single program main. Okay, right. So take 2 subclasses. I want you to practice subclass. The reason is there behind it anyway. Take the program like this, write and keep it. Take one subclass. Take one subclass. Subclass name is greater. Having one method. Int compare int x comma int y comma int z. What is the return type of that method now? Int. Take one main class. Demo methods 4. This is a main class. Anyway, public static void main is available. Here the input will come now. Here read value 1 and value 2 and value 3. Value 1, value 2, value 3. Right. One condition. What is the condition here now? All 3 values must be greater than 0. That's the rule. Don't enter 0, don't enter negative. Just whether you're writing condition or not, just for demo purpose. Here demo is whether you're able to write one subclass, create one object for subclass, passing parameter and getting one value. That is a practice. That is a practice. And for that, whether you are able to keep one small condition, if else or not. That is a practice. Tomorrow I'll explain that program. Today's program, it takes time. 20-25 minutes, it takes time. I'll explain that program written type very clearly. You'll get a clarity. And tomorrow I'll increase the programs. Tomorrow assignments is there for you. So 3 or 4 programs will be increased. Sunday, no, you'll get a bore anyway. So 5-6 programs will be given anyway to overcome that boreness. Okay, right. Okay. Condition, right. value 1 and value 1, value 2, value 3 must be greater than 0. So try by your own, all of you. The meaning is what you are feeling, you try it. That only code writing. Sir, I felt like this, sir, some error is coming. No problem. Let it come. But whatever you feel it, you try it. My intention, in a single day, it is not possible. Maybe see today's class also, clumsy confusion will be there because subclass and suddenly not possible. So go home and type my program, read notes. Whatever you feel it, you type it. Understood now? You must type that and because that will teach you something. Some error will come. If not, some answer will come. Something is going to happen. But I want you to type by your own. Right? Tomorrow I'll rectify that. I'll give the first program diagram, second program solution. Based on that, 1 or 2 assignments will be given so that you can practice it. Okay, right? Can we take a break? Right. Tomorrow we have a repetition also, variable method. That all once again we are going to repeat it. Okay, right? Online students, any questions are there? Tomorrow I'll speak to you very clearly. So every Saturday will be the speaking class to onlines, especially. Right. Thank you very much for today. Take a break.